In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Zoho Desk Org ID in just 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself needing this specific piece of information, you're not alone, and fortunately it's a pretty straightforward process. Let's walk through it together step by step. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Zoho Desk account. This step is fundamental as it ensures you have access to all the tools and settings necessary for the task at hand. Make sure that you have your login credentials handy and proceed to sign into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to locate the settings option. Typically this can be found in the top navigation bar represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will take you to a new page where all the configuration options for your Zoho Desk are neatly organized. This area is essentially the control hub for your account, housing everything from personal settings to more advanced features. Next, navigate your way to the developer space. You can find this within the settings menu, often categorized under more technical options. The developer space is where you'll find tools and information relevant to developers and IT specialists, but don't worry, you don't need to be a tech expert to locate your org ID. Now you're going to look for the API section within the developer space. Again, this might sound a bit technical, but in this area you'll find all the configurations related to API integrations with Zoho Desk. It's essential to explore this section carefully. With the right guidance, you can unlock a range of powerful integrations and features. Upon reaching the API section, focus on the API authentication part. This subsection is crucial as it contains the information we're aiming to retrieve. API authentication manages the credentials that determine which applications can access your data and services on Zoho Desk. Finally, you've arrived at the point where you can see your org ID displayed on the screen. It's typically found alongside other authentication details, clearly labeled for easy identification. Make sure to take note of it and store it somewhere secure and handy, in case you need to use it for future configurations or integrations. And there you have it. You've successfully retrieved your Zoho Desk Org ID. It's a quick task that, once familiar, can be completed in just a few minutes. Whether you're setting up new integrations or just need this piece of information for documentation, you now know exactly where to find it. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Happy exploring!